Welcome back to the channel Auto Cars Land. Today, we're diving into one of the most fascinating and powerful transport systems designed for defense and rapid mobility, the 2025 military train. Modern warfare isn't just about tanks, jets, and missiles, it's also about how fast you can move troops, vehicles, and supplies from one place to another. That's where the military train steps in, and the 2025 version takes things to a whole new level. The 2025 military train is a high-tech, heavily fortified rail system that's been designed with one mission in mind: rapid deployment of military assets with maximum security. Built using the latest advancements in rail technology, the train is equipped to transport everything from armored vehicles and mobile command units to troops and fuel supplies. With the rise of hybrid warfare and unpredictable conflict zones, mobility is more critical than ever, and this train is designed to deliver it fast and efficiently. The engine powering the 2025 military train is a next-generation diesel-electric hybrid system, combining high horsepower with fuel efficiency. It's capable of running long distances without refueling, making it ideal for cross-border operations or long-haul missions within a country. The locomotive is armored to withstand small arms fire and even blasts from explosives, ensuring it can keep moving in hostile environments. One of the key highlights of the military train is its modular cargo system. Each carriage can be quickly adapted to carry different types of cargo, whether it's a fleet of tanks, missile launchers, drones, medical supplies, or even mobile radar systems. The cargo compartments come with built-in securing systems and shock absorbers to protect sensitive equipment during transport, no matter the terrain or speed. In terms of troop transport, the train is equipped with climate-controlled passenger cars that can house up to 100 soldiers per unit. These cars are built for both comfort and combat readiness, with built-in beds, seating, storage for gear, and even digital communication systems so troops can receive mission briefings while en route. The train also features a medical unit car with emergency treatment facilities, essentially functioning as a moving field hospital. Security is a top priority for the 2025 military train. The train is fitted with high-resolution surveillance cameras, thermal sensors, and radar systems to detect any threats along the rail line. It also has an onboard defense system, including remote-controlled machine guns and anti-drone technology, making it a difficult target to ambush. Some versions of the train are even accompanied by aerial drones for scouting and perimeter security during movement. The train's command and control center is truly the brain of the operation. It features advanced communication systems, satellite links, and tactical mapping tools that allow real-time coordination with ground, air, and naval units. From this central hub, commanders can monitor the situation, change routes if needed, and issue commands directly to their forces. It brings battlefield-level coordination right onto the tracks. Another unique feature of the 2025 military train is its stealth capabilities. The exterior is coated with radar-absorbing materials to reduce detectability. Special design considerations like noise suppression and thermal signature management help the train remain undetected during covert missions. In some regions, the train is also camouflaged to blend with the environment. Speed is another big win for the 2025 military train. Despite its heavy load, it can travel at speeds up to 160 km per hour, depending on track conditions and loadout. This allows military units to reach hot zones faster than traditional convoys, and without the vulnerabilities of road transport, such as IEDs or ambushes. International defense forces are increasingly recognizing the importance of military rail systems. Countries like the United States, Russia, China, and India have already begun integrating advanced rail solutions into their logistics infrastructure, and the 2025 model is part of this global shift. For nations with vast territories or difficult terrain, military trains provide a secure and reliable transport method that supports rapid response and mobility. Another cool thing about the 2025 military train is its sustainability. While designed for war zones, it's also optimized to leave a smaller environmental footprint. The hybrid engine reduces emissions, and the use of regenerative braking systems allows energy to be stored and reused. It's one of the few defense platforms that balances power with environmental responsibility. In summary, the 2025 military train isn't just a transportation tool, it's a mobile fortress, a command center, a hospital, and a supply line all rolled into one. It's built for speed, security, and adaptability, capable of supporting complex military operations in today's fast-changing global landscape. As defense technology continues to evolve, systems like this train show how crucial logistics and mobility have become in maintaining military superiority. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoyed learning about the 2025 military train. If you're into military tech, futuristic vehicles, or just want to stay updated on the most advanced machines in the world, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.